see.
Ano masasabi mo dito, tita?
Ay, maganda. Kahit province, okay naman. Dito kami ngayon sa SM Kulilan.
Tingin na kayo ng mga iPhone nyo dyan.
Ito.
1, 2. Okay.
Ay, ang video.
Nakabili na sila ng sale. Nakabili ng sale.
Kailan tayo magpa-test? Ano na ibang tempered glass dito?
Ayan na dyan, napapatemper.
Ayun natin, baka meron dyan.
Hindi ka pa ba nakapagpatemper?
Gomigans. Maganda siya. Ay na, madali bang ano dito? Mga ilang ano ba yan? Hindi man matagal ang ano, no?
Sige. Ay, yung vlogger na ito.
Hindi mga vlogger.
Bagang vlogger. Picture ulit. Oo nga, sige. Hindi, binibindi pa. Wait lang.
May rice and beans na po siya kasama na to. Balik sa S7 po, may dalawang 2,000 na fried rice.
Nice. Rice and drinks po.
Hindi sa Pilipinas. Ang naman. Yan na, nag-order na sila.
Original yun.
Panay ang picture. Panay ang picture. Nahiya pa. Under. Tagal naman ang order nila.
Ito yung Oppo Reno 5G na nandun, no? 180 lang ito yung bilhin mo.
Wala na, mga ubos na nila.
Hindi niya alam na pupunta ng SM. Kala niya sa Baby Mart na.
Kaya kasi kayo, pag malabas tayo, dapat alam na this. Dapat alam na this. Hindi pwedeng hindi po forma.
Sa Sakura mo. Kasi sa Japan, ano Sakura ba yun? Sakura. Ano po yung napakalamig ko. Maraming jacket na talaga doon.
Knock out na. Kain pa kayo. Kain pa kayo.
Busog-busan.
Puro ka naman post, video nga ito eh.
Busog-busan.
Ano orderin pa sabi mo?
Masarap. Grabe, busog.
Grabe.
Ako rin.
Ikaw, tita.
Busog man.
Busog.
Ahoy!
Sa presyo.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Sarap, sobrang sarap.
Ikaw,
Sarap. Ako man.
wala bang hindi masarap?
Presyong abot kaya.
Thumbs up. Okay. Parang mga ano. Ilang presyo? 2.6.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be